Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 5.5-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a great value with less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows and window defogger.